Hey guys, so the Cubot King Kong Power and the Blackview BV9300 will be launching on May 10. I think the Cubot King Kong Power will be cheaper than the BV9300, but we'll just have to wait and see how much they cost when they are officially launched. In this video, I'll be comparing the specs of the two rugged devices. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's compare the specs of both devices to see which is best.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Personally, I believe the BV9300 is a much more better device, but I expect the BV9300 to be more expensive than the Cubot King Kong Power. The King Kong Power also has decent specs, but the BV9300 is a better device in my opinion. I'd like to hear your thoughts about both devices, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.